friends, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on today's video. Before we get into it, I would be super happy if you'd subscribe to my channel and share this video or any of my other videos, you know, so we can all be friends. Today, as you can see by the title, is a vlog. We are going to get a birthday present for my dad and some stuff because we're gonna build our entryway table today. We love carpentry. We have built a lot of stuff in our house and I absolutely love it. So I hope that you'll enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it and leave a comment down below if this inspires you to build something for your house or gives you ideas, I mean, for what to get your dad for his birthday. I don't know. But yeah, I really hope you enjoy it. Subscribe to be friends. So we went to the post office and then stopped by and saw my dad without telling him what we were about to go do, which I was proud of myself because I really wanted to be like, guess what, I'm getting you this. So yeah, I don't know if I mentioned it, but we are planning on getting him a fountain for their backyard because he's been kind of like redoing the backyard and he talked about wanting a fountain a few times yesterday. So I was like, okay, that's an idea. So we're gonna see if we can get him a fountain. We're going to Lowe's first, and then depending on what we find at Lowe's, if we find a fountain, if we find one that we like, that we might like, whatever, we have a couple more places that we're gonna go to see about a fountain. So yeah, and then we also have to get screws, wood screws, so for the entryway table that we're building. You okay? I am so sleepy. The first thing that we definitely have to do before we go anywhere is get me some sort of caffeine. I don't know if this is just me, but like whenever I am really sleep deprived or like really exhausted, I can't like drink coffee. Like it doesn't sound good. It sounds like it's gonna make my stomach upset. So I'm looking forward to a very hibiscus. So that's what we're gonna get. I am waiting for my coffee. Yes, I am. I am waiting for my coffee. Oh wait, no, I forgot. I ordered tea. Oh, here's my husband. It tastes like summer happiness. I found my new baby. I've been wanting a monstera for so long. Look how pretty. Are you excited about our new plant, baby?
Yep.
So as far as a successful visit goes, I got a plant, so I'd say it's pretty successful. We couldn't find a fountain because they don't sell them at Lowe's. The guy gave us a place to go, so we're gonna go there next. We have to kind of hurry with timing because I'm meeting a friend tonight who's in town and we're gonna go for a walk because social distancing, and I haven't seen her in a really long time. Actually, I haven't seen her since our wedding, so I haven't seen her in like almost 9 months. So we are kind of running short on time now, but not a big deal. We'll figure it out. We're here at Suburban Lawn and Garden, I think, and we're going to go and try to find a fountain. I'm so sweaty. Woo. I totally forgot to film, and I'm mad at myself because I didn't want this entire video to be in the car. So far it has been, but we found a fountain for my dad, and I really like it. I think that he will too, and I FaceTimed my mom so that she could see it because it's her yard too, you know, and she really likes it, and he's been really into like birds and like bird feeders and having stuff like that, and it has birds on the fountain, and I thought that was really cool. So we're going to pick it up. We're like driving back to get it right now, and so I'll show you it now. Then we will reconvene at home. So the first part of this video, which is finding the perfect present for my dad, is check, done, and next thing we'll do is go home and build our entryway table. This is what the fountain looks like all put together. Wow, that's really hard to do with one hand. These are the legs to our entryway table. Probably shouldn't build a table in this outfit. ready to go. I want to try and let you guys know exactly what we are using. That way it's easy for you to recreate this at home if you like it, of course. So we have 2 pieces of wood that are identical. They are 2 by 12 by 45 inches. And 2 that are identical that are 2 by 12 by 8 inches. So they're 8 inches tall. And then a piece in the back that is 2 by 8 by 45 inches. So that is our pieces. The first thing that we're going to do obviously is sand the timber. So he is going to use an electric sander and just kind of get all the pieces ready to be stained. So we have a dark wood stain, the same stain that we use and have been using on all of our stuff. So we'll just keep you guys updated on what we do. We're gonna use a circular power sander and I'll link everything that we can down below. Glowing or sweaty? You decide. So we're gonna use this Howard Restore a Finish. We have to let that sit for 30 minutes and then Andrew can do the weather guard. Clear wood sealer. It is a 4-way protection, repels water, provides sunblock, provides mildew resistance. So the reason why we're spraying this with an outdoor sealant is because it's outdoor wood, so it's already been treated for the elements. It is the next day, as you could probably tell from, you know, we look different. We're going to try and finish at least spraying it. I mean, we'll see how far we get today.
Glenna's upstairs doing something, but I wanted to go over the reason kind of why we were weatherproofing again. Something that we wanted to do is we wanted to also make sure that we didn't leave like those water rings. And so, you know, with this weatherproofing, what we're gonna be able to do is if Glenna has to set down her coffee or we set down a drink, that weatherproofing is also gonna protect this entryway table. Now, we're not really sure, you know, this table may become a lot more versatile. So what we can do is maybe move this outside eventually. So by putting that weatherproofing on, that spray, what we're gonna be able to do is not have to worry about it being protected against the elements later on.
So this is the back of the table, and we screwed 3 in here, and then on the top we'll do 1 more like off to the side so it doesn't interfere with this screw. But yeah, that was challenging, and there are some bends in the wood that made it kind of difficult to try and like line up, but I like imperfections in things. Now he's gonna just sand to kind of clean up those spots. We noticed an issue with the black hardware is that it was painted black and it's not actually black, so trying to sand around the insert holes for the nails has caused it to have this kind of like...
It shows the metal.
It shows the metal, yeah, that's what it's doing. So, yeah, we're gonna kind of reseal the areas around where we just sanded and call it good for that. So we just screwed 2 into the supports, and we're gonna put the bottom on next, and then on the bottom we're going to do more support screws, but the top for like aesthetic purposes. And this is perfect because we don't even have to sand these, so awesome. Okay, we're gonna do a little unboxing with the legs that we got. We got hairpin. Wow, they like really taped this. Look at how much tape is on that. You can barely find the product. So we got black hairpin legs that are 26 inches. So that our table will sit about 30, like 38 inches tall. This is what they look like. I love hairpin legs. I feel like they're just very, very classy. So they don't jut out that far, which is good. So they'll sit kind of straight on top of the table. Like, I mean, straight underneath the table. And 4 stoppers. And then all the screws, which will definitely need pilot holes for.
We are drilling pilot holes in to the leg so that when we bring it inside to screw it in, it'll be easier and we won't have to maneuver the legs around the door.
We just brought up the table to the living room and we're gonna put on the legs now. Okay, but like for reals though, catch me doing lots of Insta from here. This is seriously so perfect. I did want these to sit like this and they'd hang off the edge just a little bit, but honestly I don't even mind it sideways. So we have like our Dyson equipment and a catch-all for like going to the car or like going down to the garage, just masks, stuff like that. A little place to put our keys, me, and then some decor that might be temporary. I gotta see what I think of it like when I walk up here from downstairs. Thank you guys so much for watching our video. I hope that you enjoyed it and that you build your own entryway table, because it was honestly really fun, and maybe it's just us because we like to build things, but it was really easy too. I will make sure to be very descriptive down below about what we used and where it's from, in case you want to build the same table that we have in our home. If you follow me on Instagram, I will post a photo of the fountain when it's up and running and placed at my parents' house. It'll probably be the day this video goes up, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. It would make my heart really, really happy if you subscribe to my channel so that we can be friends. Have a good day. Bye.